Well, I guess we'll go that way. Okay. All right, I'll bring you back. Now, I am going to cut out my white material and all right. Excuse me. Alrighty. Let me move this back a little bit. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna get one block made. I had to start the camera over again. I run out of bobbin and I had to put a new bobbin in. Let me get my scissors. I've got to thread my needle. Well, I still didn't get it. Not everything goes just like you planned. My thread broke. Okay. All right, now I'm ready to go. I'm going to take a 1/4 inch seam. this is one block here. All right, I'm gonna bring you back, then I'm gonna do the star. All right, I am fixing to make the star on this now. I'm gonna make, there's two different angles to this, and then I'm gonna make both of them. And oh, all right. I'm putting one a white on top of this this one here, and I'm gonna sew a quarter inch seam all the way around it. Alrighty. I hope everybody's doing okay tonight. I'm going to stop this, and I'll get these sewed together, and I'll come back. We'll have to cut them in two and then place them in a different pattern. All right, I've got my star placed out, and I'm going to sew these together. This is my first star I made. So, let me get this done. So, I was kind of bumfuzzled. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, I have got 2 rows done, and I'm going to stitch these together. Let me get my pins. It's been slow going. Oh, I hope everybody's doing all right this evening. All right. Get my thread. It's been a year or two, maybe 3 since I made a Hunter Star Quilt. I had to learn all over again how to get it together. There's a lot of YouTube channels out there that has done this pattern. See if I can't ease that in. I tell you what, when I get through with this quilt, I ain't never making another Hunter Star Quilt. It's kind of on the difficult side. I don't believe I had this much trouble getting the other one put together. Alrighty, I'll bring you back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and download this. I've got 3 rows together, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, there's an arrow here with the white. With the white there, and then arrows there for the colored material. But this is such a pretty pattern. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get this downloaded, and then I'll finish it up. So y'all have a wonderful day. Thank y'all. If you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank you so much for watching.